Hey, what's up, everybody? Listen, we are back with a new one, another one, but this one is amazing. You guys know what it is. It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and I've already done the unboxing. You can look right there, all the boxes. Man, it was super easy. You take the box out of the box. You take the thing out of the box. And what is the thing? If I'm in my kitchen, you know what the thing is. It's a new Internet of Things kitchen device. Look, Ma, not only is it no hands, there's no buttons, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no app, there's no phone. It's just completely accessible, literally out of the box. Now, brand new, three pieces. You got the little thing in here for your food to go on. And I'm gonna put this in there, all right? And then you got another thing over here if you want like to put a chicken on or something like that, and you just sit that in there, French fries, whatever the case may be. And so it's brand new. I'm gonna plug it up for the very first time, and we're gonna see if it does what it says it's gonna do. Me and you, we're doing it together. Excuse my reach, but I am plugging it in. Boom. And it beeped.
Welcome. Say hey air fryer to get started.
Hey air fryer.
Welcome back.
Hey air fryer. Stop.
Start cooking now.
I said stop. Hey air fryer. Stop.
Welcome back.
Hey air fryer. Cook salmon.
Sorry, try again.
Hey air fryer. Stop preheating.
Cooking now. Cancel before changing.
Hey air fryer. Cancel. Hey air fryer.
Welcome back.
Reheat.
I'm already cooking.
Hey air fryer. Stop cooking.
Welcome back.
Hey air fryer.
Welcome back.
Cancel.
Cooking has stopped. Fan will run until cool.
All right, thank you. So you guys see, I just literally plugged it in. I started talking to it and tell the device what I wanted to do. I told it what to cook. 1,000, or was it 100? 100 or 1,000 commands. It's probably 100. But anyway, I can pretty much cook everything. And I didn't have to use an app. I didn't have to use Wi-Fi. I didn't have to use Alexa. I didn't have to use my phone. I didn't have to touch. There's no buttons on it. Literally talk to it. Super smart. So what is it? It's the Emerson Smart Air Fryer. This is the 10-quart version. And
Door is open.
it's pretty simple to
Closed.
operate. It tells you everything. It's a little hard-headed. Probably didn't hear me, or I don't have the syntax commands correct. But nevertheless, yeah, check it out. So I am about to roast me some pecans in the air fryer. I'm going to make them a ranch flavor. Put them with some butter and some ranch flavor, and cook me some ranch flavored pecans. And so my cooking now will be done in the Emerson Smart Air Fryer. Look it up on Amazon. The 10-quart one was about $174. My last one, you guys know, the Kasori air fryer that was Alexa enabled, I used for the past X amount of years and burnt it out. So I was looking for something new. And so now I don't have to connect it to anything. I just literally took it out of the box just now. It was just delivered. And I plugged it in, and you saw what happened. So, yeah. All right. Alexa, turn off kitchen light.